bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, so today I'm going to show you guys how my tag flip book turned out. I was working on this little project a while ago, and I finished it not too long ago, but I didn't really go through any specific details on it. So I wanted to show you guys how it turned out. I'm really excited. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely full of really deliciousness, and I just loved how everything just came together. Now, what I use for the tags is the paper pad from Michaels. This is the Love and Devotion paper that Michael has out this year. I use a lot of the papers in here to create this tag flip, and I basically just use a regular tag template. I cut out all my tags. I use some reinforcement that I love to use from the Heidi Swapp planner accessories, and basically I just filled this adorable tag book full of embellishments that I just absolutely adore. So let me show you. I'm going to go through it in detail, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to explain to you what I use for the tags. The greatest thing about this is that a lot of the stuff that I use for this particular project we already created in the past. So the first cover of the tag flip is this gigantic heart that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then some of these really adorable like stickers and just embellishments that I'm basically just hot glued down for the front cover. This is the accessories that we did. We actually did this together in one of my Valentine's Day series. We also did this cupcake liner embellishment as well. A lot of the stuff in here are things that we already created. Okay, so I'm going to show you first one side, and then I'm going to flip it around and show you the other side. So this particular page or tag, I added my little embellishment that we created from one of the Valentine's Day series. I believe this is number 6. And I just added some really amazing, beautiful, super glittery hearts from the Dollar Tree. Okay. So this one is just really something simple. It just says Happy Valentine's Day. I added some really pretty gold bow, some of the Dollar Tree hearts, and then I just clicked on this really super adorable clothespins that we created out of these fantastic embellishments. I also have a video on that, and I believe that is number 4 in my series. Okay, let's see, let's keep going. This page right here, or this tag, is one of my favorites. I love how this embellishment turned out. This is one of the last embellishments that we did together. This is number 12, and I just added some like stickers around it, some Dollar Tree hearts, and I added this embellishment that we created really in a really short time. It's super duper easy. This is the one that has the love ticket paper pad. I love this paper, and yeah, and I think it turned out really pretty. Okay, this one we also did together. This is the embellishment that has the perfume little bottle, and that one is number 2 in the Valentine series. Love this embellishment. This is actually one of my favorite embellishments that we created together. This beautiful, gorgeous, so romantic looking perfume bottle stickers. It just turned out so beautiful. I added some of those Dollar Tree hearts, and just a little die cuts from the paper pad. Really pretty. Okay, this one is another one of the Valentine's Day series embellishment, and this one is number 10. I showed you guys how to create this really awesome embellishment out of cupcake liners that are kind of like foiled. I added some hearts. I added a big heart in the back, and I just basically crazy glue or hot glue the embellishment to the front of the heart, and some more of these hearts down here. As you can tell, I use a lot of the Dollar Tree heart, these glittery ones, because I am absolutely obsessed with those hearts. Okay, the last one is this one that has these adorable little clothespins. I love them. These are so cute. I love these stickers. And this is number 11 in my Valentine's Day series. I showed you guys how to put this together really simple, easy way. And then I just added an extra little sticker right here. I just love how these little bugs turned out. They're just so cute. So cute. And I really love the clothespin that has that fluorescent look to it. And this is from Martha Stewart. Okay, so now we're going to flip it, because I'm going to show you the opposite side. This one has a gigantic card from the Dollar Tree, some die cuts, and some stickers that I had left over. By the way, I also added some little pieces of this heart necklace that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. Okay, then this one has some die cuts from the paper pad. We created this adorable cupcake topper in one of my Valentine's Day series, and that is number 8. And I just added some like die cuts from the paper pad, and that's basically it. Okay, this one I again added the hearts, lots of hearts. This is a gigantic heart in the back. And then on the front, it has this really pretty die cut that says, or maybe like, not die cut, it's more like a journal card that says love on it. I love this journal card. I got this from the pad. And I just added some really sparkly hearts and just some cute bows. And I called it a day. Very simple. Okay. This magnificent, gorgeous gift tag is one from the Valentine's Day series. This one is number 9 in the series, and I showed you guys how to create this magnificent, gorgeous tag with very simple supplies, and it just turned out so beautiful. I love this tag. Okay. This one I just kind of played around with. I added some of these plain cards, and then I added a nice sparkly heart, some die cuts, and more sparkly hearts. This one I added a nice tag from Target, and this has confetti inside, and then some die cuts from the pad of paper, and then some sparkly hearts. I didn't really do much to this page or this particular tag, and I added a nice little bow to go with it. Okay, this is the last one. Yes, the last one I have here is a mush of everything. I just added some of these glittery hearts, some of this foam sticker that says hug me and kiss me. I tucked in a love ticket that I love. I love this paper. I tucked that one in there. I thought it looks really fun. And then I added a nice little small little envelope, and then I just added the word kiss right on it. I thought this one turned out really pretty. I kind of like it, and it looks kind of like different, right? So that's basically all I did for this particular tag. I wanted to show you guys in detail because I really love the way it turned out, and maybe if you guys have some ideas, this might help you maybe create some tags. If you guys created some of the Valentine's Day series embellishments, you can always add them to one of these little tag flips and mail them out to your friends, and it'll be a great little present to receive over the mail. So basically that's all I wanted to show you. I wanted to give you like a little flip on this. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me show you this tag flip book, and I hope that you get some ideas. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Please be safe out there. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye honey bunnies. Have an awesome weekend.